Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm working on the Derb E electric e-bike thingy. I'm gonna take it all apart, strip it down to the frame so I can paint it and then put it all back together. I don't know if I'll have all the time to paint it today, but I do have enough time to strip it down, so I'm gonna start there. One important thing that really helps me is to have a little shopping cart. You can find these abandoned sometimes. I just grabbed this little one. It's great, it's really small, and I can fit an entire moped in here when I take it apart. I got the whole thing taken apart. That took a couple seconds. Now I'm gonna either sand this and paint it myself, or I might send it to powder coat. We will see. Stay tuned.